Hi guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So this video is for all you new brides out there who are about to get married and who are like really tense right now, and you don't know how to take care of your skin before the wedding. So brides, I know there's a lot of work, there's the wedding where you have to decide all the venue, invitation cards, etc. Plus you have to take care of your skin and you have to, think about your look. So I recently got married and, I've followed all these steps. I know I couldn't do everything, but I know what y'all could do. I'm here to help y'all. So firstly, the first thing that y'all need to do is CTM. It's the most important thing. So it's cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So if you have at least 6 months in your hand, make sure you continuously cleanse your face, tone your face and moisturize your face. If you clean your face, dirt won't go inside your pores, and and once you clean your face, your pores will also open. To close that, you need a toner, so you need to tone your skin, and of course you need to moisturize your skin because your skin needs to glow for your wedding. So this is the first important thing that you all should do almost every day if you have time. CTM, just keep that in your mind. And facials, of course, facials are really good. If you have at least 6 months in your hand, keep doing it every month. And if you don't have a lot of time, do it at least once, twice a week. So you have enough time to do your facial. So facial will really glow your skin, will make your skin softer. And if you don't have time at all, you could use the 24 karat gold facial as well, which could be done every week, I guess. So ask your beautician and make sure you do that. And keep your hands and nails clean. Make sure you pedicure and manicure. This will help your hands look really nice and soft. Also, you'll have really good nails. And if you do not have time, if this is the end moment, guys, get your nail extensions done. These are really good. It looks really nice. So I got it done for my wedding, and I love nail extensions. So this is a little bit that you all could do for your hands and nails, hands and feet. And the next thing is to take care of your hair. So most important is to keep doing spa. So if you have at least 3 months, go for a spa. You want your hair to look nice and shiny for your wedding, so do spa. At least if you can't do that, apply egg to your hair. This will really make your hair nice and soft. You can do that. So once you've taken care of your hair, the next thing is to eat right. Guys, even if you've done all of this and you're not eating or sleeping in time, this will not help. Make sure you eat properly time to time, and don't go onto a strict diet thing. You do, if you want to lose weight, diet, and also work out. Workout will remove some me time for yourself, and then you will feel fresh and you will have the energy to go and do this big wedding of yours well, and you sleep well. So it's really important to sleep for at least 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours, because you do not want dark circles for your wedding. So make sure you sleep well as well. And the other important thing that you all need to do is do not do like a facial or bleach right before the wedding, because if you have any skin allergies, it would really ruin your skin. You will not look good with all the rashes. So make sure that you do this at least 1 week before the wedding. And also, if you are allergic to any food and all, make sure you don't eat outside food before the wedding. You do not want to fall sick. And also there are other makeup products that first you test it. If you're taking trials, do take a lot of trials before the wedding. You should also see if the makeup is suitable for your skin. So do all of this and go ahead, enjoy your wedding. Firstly, you have to be stress free, and the most important thing is smile. Just relax and smile and enjoy your wedding. Guys, these were a few tips for all you new brides out there. And if you have any more questions about my wedding look or my makeup, anything, you can ask me on the section down below. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. So guys, you know how much I love eyeshadows, and you know I like to try different colors, and here I have this amazing palette by You Can Be Makeup, and this is their Starry palette. The palette looks so fancy. Here you go. So they have 16 shades, so 16 colors, ultra glitter. So this is their glitter palette, and you know I'm always like eager to try like glitter eyeshadows. You know I like a lot of different colors. So I think these have really cool shades. So I'm just going to open this and see now. Oh my god, the packaging is amazing. Like look at this, guys. So it's so shimmery and nice, and their colors look beautiful. It looks really chic. So I'm going to open it. I'm really excited to see the colors. So these are their beautiful colors. I'm going to remove the film. So they have like 16 colors. So I think it looks really nice and pigmented, and here like these 4 colors have like different heart shape and you know really cute things in this. I think this is really nice and cute. So I'm going to try 2-3 shades, and you know I'm just going to do a swatch and show you. So I'm going to go ahead with this shade, which is a really nice blue color. It's really pigmented. So I'm going to try the second one. I think the red color looks really nice. So I'm going to try that. Now I'm really excited to try these 4 colors here. So let's go ahead with this. So they have like hearts and like really cute glitters like stuck onto this. So I'm going to show you this now. Heart shaped glitters in this. Let's try this color as well. So this is like their 3D effect glitter eyeshadow. Here you go. So guys, I've swatched quite a few colors here. Now I'm going to try it on my eyes, and I think I'm going to go ahead with this color, the maroon one. And the colors are really pigmented and nice, but it's too glittery. So I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids and see if it blends. So I'm just going to use my fingertips. You can use a brush as well, but then I think this will be it'll be easier for you to apply it with your fingertips. So this is the color that I'm going to use. So I'm going to apply it. And if you can see, it's really glittery. So I'm just using my fingertips, I'm just dabbing it onto my eyelids. Because if you blend it, it's not going to stay. These are like glitters. So just dab. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm going to apply it on this eyelid now. So guys, I'm done applying with the eyeshadow. I think it looks really nice. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of these products. Pros, the packaging is amazing. It looks really chic. It looks very nice. And the colors are beautiful. They have so many colors. And the concept, like these 4 colors, it's really nice and it gives you like the 3D effect. But the only thing I don't like about this product is the smell. I don't know, it gives you like a glue kind of a smell, and I don't know how safe this is for your eyes, because if the glitter literally goes into the eye, your eyes will be problematic. So that's that. But the colors were beautiful. I really loved it. I loved applying it. So if you want me to try any more products like these, let me know in the comment section below. And also for more DIYs, for more makeup looks, keep watching Foxy. And if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So we all know applying eyeshadow is a bit difficult. What's even more difficult is to know what kind of brush is for what. So today I'm going to show you the different types of eyeshadow brushes and how to use the eyeshadow brushes. So let's start. So guys, these are the different types of eyeshadow brushes that I have. I'm going to tell you one by one what is used for what. So let's start with the flat one. So this is the flat angle brush. So this is the flat angle brush. This is good for contouring your eyes. If you want more definition, this is for that. The next I have is the flat brush. So this is really good to apply like shimmer or a foundation which is a little thick. So you can just apply shimmer foundation, just press it on it, and this is good to just press your foundation into your eyelids. You can't really blend with this one. This is just for application, just to put like your shimmer eyeshadow and just to like place it wherever you want. So this is for that. So guys, my next brush is this one. So this is the eyeshadow application brush, which is a bit loose, so your eyeshadow application becomes really easy. So if you just want a little bit of eyeshadow, like just a soft eyeshadow, you can just apply it and blend it with this one. So my next brush is the blending brush or the fluffy brush. And this is one of my favorites because it blends all your eyeshadow together and gives you a natural look. So if you are like going for smoky eyes and if you want to blend two colors, this is really good for that. And this is also really soft and loose, so it will really apply your brush and you blend it really well. So this is for that. My next one is the angle brush. So this can be used on your brows as well and for applying your eyeliner, or if you want to apply your eyeshadow in an angle. So this is really good for that. So guys, my next brush is the small corner brush. So I don't know what its technical term is, but I use it to apply my highlighter and just press it onto my corners, so it gives you a really nice effect. So I use this just for that. And on to my next brush, which is the small flat brush. This is really good if you want to apply some dark colors on your ends, just on this part. So I use this for that. So guys, these were the different types of eyeshadow brushes, and if you really want to get a perfect eyeshadow effect, you will need these types, and it's really helped me in applying my makeup. It makes your makeup application really simple. And if you have any more doubts, if you want to know more about brushes or anything, let me know in the comment section below. And also I'm on Instagram, go follow me there. And if you haven't subscribed to Foxy already, please go subscribe now, and I'll see you later. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So I'm here with a really interesting video today. A lot of you might laugh and you'll think, why is she making this video? Because guys, I went to the dentist recently, and he actually showed me how to brush your teeth, because if you don't brush your teeth properly, it will cause a lot of problems, and bacteria will really like decay your teeth, and then it'll become really bad. Then you'll have to keep going to the dentist. So here I am today. I'm going to show you how to brush your teeth and how to take care of your teeth. This is the dental routine kind of video. So let's start now. So guys, brushing your teeth is the most important part of your dental care routine, and you need to brush twice a day. Don't forget, once in the morning and once before you go to sleep. So once you wake up in the morning, you really need to brush your teeth, because there will be a lot of germs in your mouth and you don't want that. And before going to sleep, because you've already had dinner and you don't want all that, there'll be a lot of food stuck into your teeth, so you want to get rid of that. So I'm just going to show you how to brush your teeth. These are the basic steps that you need to follow. This will be really good for your dental care routine. So firstly, take an appropriate brush for your teeth. So I use a small brush. Okay, you don't need to laugh because I have really small teeth. So I need a small brush. So you need to choose your brush accordingly. I've been using this since I was a kid. Like I really need a small brush because I have like really small teeth. So this is the toothbrush that I use. You all can use a bigger one if according to your this thing. And what you need to do is keep your brush into like a 45-degree angle, and then you go back and forth. So you've just applied your paste to the brush, and then you go out for a 45-degree angle, and then you brush back and forth. So concentrate on your outer area first, like outside, and then you go into your inner side. So you go up, then you go down, and just keep brushing back and forth. And the most important place that you need to brush is this part here. A lot of we forget to use our brush there. So just do this. This is the thing that you need to do. Just keep brushing. It will remove all the food that is collected here, and you don't want that. So a lot of times if you go to the doctor will ask you to you need to really do a lot of cleaning. So why do you want that? You can do it at home itself. So use a nice toothpaste, whatever is your requirement. If you have sensitivity, you all can use Sensodyne, which is really good. I've tried it. So just go back and forth, and don't forget your ends. That is really, really important. So just brush your teeth here, all these sides. And flossing is also good. If you if you have a habit of flossing, that is great. But if you don't, this is also not bad. Brush your teeth twice a day, that's more than enough. And choose a really good toothpaste. And guys, once in a day you need to gargle your mouth as well. So use a nice mouthwash. It'll be really helpful for you all. And if you have any other doubts, any more questions, you all can ask me in the comment section below. Hopefully this video has been really helpful for you guys. And also for more DIYs, more skincare, more makeup videos, keep watching Foxy. And if you haven't subscribed, please go subscribe now. And I will see you soon, guys. Bye.